Hi, and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. And today we are doing working our way through Project Guidebook for National Scrapbook Day. And we are on project number 4, or layout number 4. And if you've gone through the other ones, I have already pre-cut everything, and we're just going to put it all together. So I'm going to set all my stuff aside for the moment. Kind of put it, and I only need, so let's do the right side first. So what we'll need is we're going to need one of these and put the other one over there. This, and then where is the other one? Huh. Oh, there it is. Need it. That one can go there. And then we've got this. And then we need 2 of those. And the other will go on the other page. And then we've got, I think that goes there. We got one here. These 2 are here. And that is over there. Okay. All right. So let's just start with, all right, and make sure we get, I'm going to flip this around. We've got this one here. So, and then this piece. It's about, I'd say like an 1/8 to 1/4 inch. Okay, so now let's kind of, so this goes here. I need to add a little edging on it. Need to get rid of that. All right, let's do it's going to be about 1/2 inch from the bottom. So we're going to do that. This one, just like that. And we probably could go up a little bit higher, but I'm okay with that. And then, so we're just going to put this one right here for now, because I need to have this and this tuck in behind it. So, get, all right. Like that. And then this will go right like that. Let's see here. Oops. I don't know. The cat, I think, oh, she was, I think, looking through the box. I have a bunch of recycling that I need to put out. And she was inspecting it for me, evidently. All right. So I have that right there. Oh, I need to move. This is what's nice about repo. So if you need to adjust something, you can. All right. And then we have this guy right like that. I think I'm going to end up moving this one up just a tiny bit. So let's move him up. So like the end of it is sitting on the 11 and the 1. For that. I probably should have just read the directions, but it'll be fine. And then this can go right like that. Tap there for that. So yeah, because it's, oh, I see. Okay. I got it now. Huh. I should have looked at it so it has it they're touching each other. So they're just slightly touching, and then this guy goes right on top just like that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that guy up on some foam. And that's what's nice about these foam strips is for this kind of stuff. I just have to like get one. There we go. Get them started. So I'm going to do that and that one. And then if I can get 2 more of them. I got these off of Amazon is where I got them. So, and then we don't have to trim. And that gives that one these a little bit of dimension. So I'm going to pull these off of there. I can get that and that. Okay. And then just like that. There we go. All right, put those aside. This one. Right up here. And this is a 4x6. If I have any 4x6. I do. I'll just use the back side of this one. And it can go right there. And then this guy kind of goes behind right here. And this one, oh, well, I'll just put them opposite ways. Okay, like that. And then put this one right here. And then we need a 3.5 by 5.5. Let's see what I got for these. Like I said, they came out with new ones and I ordered them, but I have not got my order yet. So I'm just using what I have for the moment. There we go. All right. And this has some embellishments on it. Oh, here we go. So this will go right here. So we'll find some foam and foam that up. All right, there we go. All right. And we could put a photo in here if we want to on these two. All right. Now let's do the other side. Same thing. And I'm just gonna put it on top of it just so now I just need to remember that. So this is gonna go on that side. Just right like that. And then here's that piece. And then this one, about 1/8 of an inch. Right like that. Perfect. Now, this is where I was going to use this to line up. All right. And this is the sunflower punch that you can get as part of National Scrapbook Day. It's very versatile. You can pretty much use it for anything. You use it. This is sunflowers, but you could use it for daisies or any other flowers, and you can change them out. I got off a little bit. Okay. And this guy, match him up right there. And then these we'll do foam strips for. All right. That one. That one. And then we'll just kind of make this diagonal. So then we don't have to trim anything. Got to get creative. All right. And then pull these off. All right. And then match these up here. I love putting on foam because I think it makes it very cool to mention. Okay, so now I've got, so I need some 4x6. Do I have any more 4x6 blank ones in the back there? Nope. 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 I guess this is fine. All right. So I need, this one is going to go, let's match him up. So this guy is going to go right here. And then this is going to go, pull this back out. So that's going to go right like this. And then I need one 4x6. Oh, there we go. Oh, I have two of these. Oh, well, I'll just save them here. Hopefully I've got another. There we go. Perfect. And this can go right here behind it. And then I just need a 3.5. These are all 4x6. This works. I'll just do it right here, just like that. Okay. And then, okay, and then I need this again. Find, there we go. All right. I think that's good. Get these pulled off. And you can use for whatever foam you have. This is what I have. And then that goes right there. Just like that. All right. Now you do have room if you wanted to put some other pictures on there as well. You could put 2 here. You could put some up here. So let's see. Let me get it in view for you. Just like that. All right. Well, this is layout number 4. We have one more left, and then we are complete with those. And I think it turned out super cute. I love putting these, I love these sunflower borders and putting them up on foam. Well, thanks for joining me. Once again, my name is Tracy Walker, Career Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. I'd love for you to join me in one of my events. My next event is in May, and I will put all the information below how to connect with me and get on my email list. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.